Hi, I'm Anthony Ortega, Application Specialist at Armacell. We are often asked what resources are available from Armacell for installation installers. In this video, I'll share with you two of the most popular resources. For years, installers have been asking how they can obtain knives that the Armacell trainers use. Armacell offers a professional-grade knife kit available for installers in North America. This 8-piece toolset is a perfect accessory when installing installation that also enables precision cutting of foam installation for better installations. They are available through Armacell's network of installation distributors in North America. It includes all the tools Armacell recommends to deliver a professional installation. Let's take a quick look. In this knife set, you see it contains 2 square rubber knives, a nice fillet knife for round cuts, a ceramic knife, 2 silver Sharpies, and a neat Armacell sharpener. The second resource that I'd like to highlight is our digital library of template sets. Historically, these templates have been used in paper form and transferred to different materials for a more permanent template set for the installator shop. Today, many of these shops have automated cutting equipment that can be programmed to use the ArmorFlex digital template files. These template sets include layouts for pipe sizes up to 18-inch iron pipe size and installation thicknesses up to 2-inch. Contact your local Armacell representative to gain access to these downloadable drawing files. For more information to these valuable resources for installation professionals, visit our website. Like and subscribe to our channel, and remember, when you have questions, Armacell has answers.